After my wife broke my Carver car mount, I thought I'd go for the quad lock because I've got a quad lock case for my new Google Pro 6 Plus. Looks quite good, quite sturdy. Wasn't expecting to have to put a connector for the cup. It's just, well, it's quite sticky actually. So when you turn this, it does pull in like a normal suction cup. This bit here is configurable, which is good because probably need quite a tilt on it to get it visible in the Carver. Also gone for the phone ring stand and the wireless charging connector as well, because I have got that USB connector in the Carver. I'm going to fit it and show you what it looks like. Okay, stuck the connector on after removing the 3M sticky cover. I've put it onto what is a tinted window now, so there's actually some tinting on this, so I hope it doesn't damage that, but nice and secure. What does it look like from the outside? You can see it with the reflection, but looks fairly secure. Let's now connect the next bit. Okay, let's connect this in. Ugh. Should I put that in? Very sticky. Holds it in with stickiness quite well just by itself, but turn the suction cup as well. Cool, yeah. That's actually very secure. So now attach my phone. That's the quad lock case for the 6 Pro, Google Pixel Pro 6. Great if I could use this as a dash cam. Must look into that. Okay, loosen up this connector to get it in the right place, roughly. I need to tighten it up again to even put it on, I think. Put it over this way a bit. Feel a click at this point. Okay. So that's good. Fairly secure. Sit back in the seat. It's actually a little bit low. It's covered by the cowling a little bit, but I don't want to obscure the window any more than that. So yeah, next step is to take that off again and install the charger, the wireless charger component. Okay, so this is the wireless charging add-on, so you've got to remove this bit. Okay, so that's that installed. It does come with Type-C connector, which I plugged into the Carver's USB output port. Let's plug that in. Switch the Carver on. I'm hoping that I'm going to see a light come up here. Yeah, so that looks good. That beeping you can hear is because I've got the door open. So let's install the phone and see if it still works all right. know if you can see in the top right hand corner, but it says it's charging, so good news. Tell me how much it's charging by, but excellent, it is in. So the look from further away so you can see what it looks like. There it is, nice and secure, nothing moving there. I need to tidy up that cable. It's a little bit close, I might just tilt it up a bit more. There you go, that is the quad lock wireless charging and car mount.